In this video, I'm going to show you how to change note velocity in BandLab. Now to do this, first you want to open your MIDI editor. So in case it's not open right now, you simply want to either double click on your MIDI over here in the track, or just click on this button here on the left to actually open up the MIDI editor by clicking down here, MIDI editor at the bottom. Now from here, you can go and change note velocity two different ways. The first way to do this is going to be to change the note, or of course you can also select multiple. And then when you go and do it, so I'm actually going to change the velocity of, for example, these notes over here. You can then go and of course change the velocity by dragging over here. Okay, so drag like this and it's going to change your velocity. So I'm going to put it at 10, and now I'm going to go and play this. As you can hear, it's actually, the velocity is so low you can't actually hear it. So I'm actually going to go a bit more, so like 70 maybe. There we go, now the velocity has been changed, and of course you could go and do this the second way as well, which is going to be using this V button. So this is going to toggle the velocity mode. When you click on it, you can then see you can do this for individual notes. There's like these white lines over your notes, so just go and click on any note and then drag down to lower the velocity, or drag up to increase the velocity. So I'm actually going to go and then I'm going to lower some of these, and then some of these I'm going to keep on high just so we can hear what this sounds. There we go. I'm going to change this one as well, and I'm going to play this. Okay, so we can actually hear the difference. So that's how to change note velocity. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.